Good morning everyone. Welcome back to grade 4 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? So we have already learned how we can add like fractions. Today let's learn how we can subtract like fractions. So to subtract two or more like fractions, since the denominators are the same, you just need to subtract the numerators and write the difference over the same denominator. Now, let me make it more clear to you with an example. Subtract 7 by 12 minus 5 by 12. See, these are like fractions with the same denominator, 12. So, we just need to subtract the numerators. Which are the numerators? 7 and 5. So, let's see this step by step. Subtracting the numerators, you get 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, and write the difference over the same denominator. Thus, 7 by 12 minus 5 by 12 will be equal to 7 minus 5 is equal to 2 by the same denominator, 12. Clear? Now, look at this word problem given here. Anshu read 10 pages on Monday and 4 pages on Tuesday. If there are 21 pages in the book, then on which day did she read more and by what fraction? So there are a total of 21 pages in the book, and on Monday she read 10 pages and on Tuesday she read only 4 pages. You are asked to find out on which day she read more pages and by what fraction. So from the data given in the question, let's write down the steps. The fraction of pages that Anshu read on Monday is equal to 10 out of 21 pages. That is 10 by 21. And the fraction of pages Anshu read on Tuesday is equal to 4 out of the total 21 pages. So that is 4 by 21. Now, comparing the fractions. Comparing the fraction of pages she read on this Monday and Tuesday, we are comparing 10 by 21 and 4 by 21, which is bigger. The denominators are the same. So comparing the numerators, we get the fraction 10 by 21 is greater than 4 by 21. So 10 by 21 is the fraction of pages she read on Monday. So obviously, she read more pages on Monday. And we need to find out by what fraction she read more pages on Monday. So how would we find that? We need to subtract the fraction she read on Monday and the fraction she read on Tuesday. So let's do that. So the fraction of pages Anshu read more is equal to the fraction of pages she read on Monday minus the fraction of pages she read on Tuesday. So that is equal to 10 by 21 minus 4 by 21. That is equal to, being like fractions, just subtracting the numerators, 10 minus 4 by 21, and that is equal to 6 by 21. Look at the numerator and the denominator, 6 and 21. Both are multiples of 3. So there is a common factor 3. So let's cancel out the common factor from both the numerator and the denominator. So 6 by 3 gives you 2 and 21 by 3 gives you 7. So the equivalent fraction is 2 by 7. Thus, she read 2 by 7 more pages on Monday than on Tuesday. Hope you are clear with this. Now, let's do one question from exercise 6.3. So, you can see these questions in page number 90 of your textbook. Turn to page number 90 in your textbook. Let me read the question to you. Write a subtraction fact for each of the following. And the first one is already given there. We can see a rectangle is being divided into 21 equal parts. And a few parts are shaded. How many parts are shaded? 8 out of these 21 parts are shaded. So the fraction of shaded part is equal to 8 by 21. Now, a few parts are crossed. What is the fraction of parts that are crossed? That is equal to 4 out of the total 21 boxes. So, what is the fraction of parts that are shaded and not crossed? That would be equal to the total fraction of shaded portion minus the fraction crossed. So that is 8 by 21 minus 4 by 21, which is equal to 8 minus 4, 4 by 21, the same denominator. You can complete the rest of the questions as an activity. Please pause the video, finish it and come back. Hope you are done with that. Now let's see each question one by one. Question B. 5 shapes are shaded and 3 are crossed. So the equivalent subtraction fact would be 5 out of the total 9 minus 3 out of the total 9, and that is equal to 5 minus 3, 2 by 9. Hope you got this one correct. Now the next question, here you can see total 12 shapes, and out of the 12, 5 are shaded, 1 is crossed. So the subtraction fact is 5 by 12 minus 1 by 12, which is equal to 4 by 12. Hope you got this one correct. Now the next question, question D, there you can see a total 11 parts, which is the denominator, and out of these 11 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts are shaded, 2 are crossed. So the subtraction fact would be 6 by 11 minus 2 by 11, which is equal to 4 by 11. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Now the next question, there you can see a total 17 shapes, out of which 9 are shaded and 6 are crossed. So that would be 9 by 17 minus 6 by 17. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3 and the denominator 17. Now the last question, question F, you can see a total of 15 boxes there and 11 are shaded, 6 are crossed. So that would be 11 by 15 minus 6 by 15. That is equal to 11 minus 6 is equal to 5 by 15. Hope you got this one correct. Now we can go through the topic subtraction of like fractions in page number 88 and go through the topic once again. You have to complete the questions 5a to 5i and also the question numbers 6 of exercise 6.3. You can work out the questions in your notebook. Then from pages 91 to 92, you come across these headings: LS, HOTS, Fun with Maths and Activity. A few questions are given there. Go through these questions as well and do accordingly. And in page number 89, you can see the heading Maths Around Us. Go through that question and do accordingly. So that's all for today, children. Once you are done with all the activities, you can take a picture and send us through Teams. We will meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.